So this feature allows users to display the part of the dashboard that is out of the screen reach because of how dashboard is created. So for example, we want the dashboard to be, we want to display the lower part of the dashboard. We can put 500 pixels here, and you can see that now it's displaying the second part of the dashboard. We can make it nicer. So, but if we enable animation, it will animate between that 500 pixels and the dashboard height, which is 2000 here. If it's 0, it will animate from the top to bottom. Yeah, that's all to it. It doesn't affect how the content is transitioned, so it just affects how it's displayed. So if it's in the playlist, it will animate to the end and switch to the next content. Animation speed depends on the duration, so make it shorter, it will be faster. But if this is if it's the only content that is published, it will animate back and forth indefinitely. If it's published as part of the studio content, it will animate back and forth until the slide duration is up and the next slide is displayed. That's about it.